Hey guys, Jason coming at you again, Surviving Dad Life. I'm going to start doing some episodes about food and drink for a little while because football season's coming up. And I think this coming weekend is actually the first week of college football. So for this one, we're going to start with a drink, and it's something new that I just recently found. This stuff here, you can see that bottle, Whiplash whiskey. I actually saw it on an ad, I think online, but it's the original whipped cream flavored whiskey. And as far as I know, it's the only one that tastes like whipped cream. So I'm going to do 3 things with it and we'll try it and see how it goes. The first one actually is a recipe that comes off their website, and it's a shooter or a shot. This one, you're going to need some peanut butter whiskey. Doesn't matter what kind you get. It can be a Screwball or it can be my personal favorite of Sheepdog. But you put equal parts of Screwball and Whiplash. So I'm putting about half an ounce each, which will give me an ounce on this shot. Okay. And they call the drink the Fluffer Nutter, which I think is a Nutter Butter or something like that. But it's like a peanut butter cookie or something. But anyway, here's the Fluffer Nutter. Oh man. That's some good stuff. All right, the next thing I'm going to make, this one's just going to be a mixed drink. I was trying to think, a cream, whipped cream, what would that go good with? And my favorite, like ice cream when I was a kid, was the orange Dreamsicle or the Dreamsicle popsicles or whatever. So I'm going to make one of those and see how it is. With this, I'm going to take a glass here. Oh, and if you guys are interested in this little ice making thing, I'll put the link in the description there. But it makes just little squared cubes. I don't know how well you can see that, but they're just little squares. With this, I'm going to take an ounce, shaken, and a half, okay, of Whiplash. Then I'm essentially going to top it off, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to do 3 ounces of orange Fanta. So basically, the ratio on this is going to be 2 to 1. Okay, that. Cheers. That's what I've been looking for. I've been trying to find like the perfect orange Dreamsicle, and that combination is perfect. That's what I've been looking for. That's the perfect orange Dreamsicle right there. I don't know if y'all can see them back there. I had to cut out because I heard something. Our chickens are running around back there. And you know what, chickens, I ain't a big fan of them, but they've been, the grasshoppers are like almost eliminated now, and we haven't hardly seen any ticks this year, so I guess they do serve a purpose. The last one I'm going to throw together is just Dr. Pepper cream soda with this. Cream soda to me has like a vanilla. What the hell is that from? Anyway, has like a vanilla taste to it, which I guess that's what it is. I don't know. So, to me, this should just enhance the flavor of the vanilla. And I'm going to do it the same thing as I did with the orange drink. We're going to do 1 ounce and a half of our Whiplash. And then we're going to do, I don't know why I did that. We're going to do 3 ounces. It's going to be 2 to 1 also on this one of Dr. Pepper cream soda. Wrong bottle. Anyway, cheers. Okay. That might add just a little bit too much vanilla to it, so it's really sweet. But if you like really sweet drinks, that's going to be good for you. So you might want to tone this down to an ounce instead of an ounce and a half. But, I mean, it's good. So, with that being said, those are your 3 drinks. You can make those. They're easy to make. You can have it out for your weekend party or whatever you're going to be doing, watching football. And celebrating with your friends because, you know, the greatest sport's back on TV again. You guys, down in the comments, tell me, you know, who your favorite teams are, who you're hoping to win this year, who you think's going to win national championship this year. And then tell me what drinks you made this weekend for your football party. Anyway, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe on the video, and I will catch you on the next one.